busy with my day job and all that, so we usually skip the sorting. And then I now started noticing that, because of that, it affected the size of our fish.
Hi guys, hope you all are doing great. So you're welcome back once again to another episode of Share Your First Major Challenge as a catfish farmer. And with me today, I have another female catfish farmer. The last time I interviewed a female catfish farmer, and today once again I have another female catfish farmer. So she'll be sharing her own first major challenge, the problem she encountered that made her to almost close down her farm. She'll be sharing it to you guys today so that you all can learn from her own story, so that when you start your own business, when you come across such challenge, you will not be surprised and you know the solutions to prefer to such challenges. So good afternoon, Ms. Chinwe. So can you tell us who you are, what you do, and share your first major challenge to our followers out there?
Okay, my name is Chinwe. I am a female catfish farmer. I've been in the catfish business for about 7 years now. My first major challenge that I experienced when I first started, and sometimes even more recently, is sorting. Now, we were not able to keep up with our sorting because maybe I've been extremely busy with my day job and all that, so we usually skip the sorting. And then I now started noticing that, because of that, it affected the size of our fish. You'll see in the same tank that we have fishes that are very small, and then the big ones will feed on them, and then also it now affected our quantity that we got by the time we were harvesting because we didn't sort properly. And then it affected our overall harvest because you have sizes that are way too small and then you have sizes that are very big. So what I advise people to do is keep your fish the same sizes in the same tank, so that you don't have too much cannibalism, and then space them out. When they have space, they're able to grow, and you're able to get a bountiful harvest. But if you lump all of them together, you're going to start having differences in sizes. So sorting is very, very important. Now we're going to try and start sorting our fish every 2 weeks, or anytime we see that there is a difference in the sizes of the fish, we'll make sure that we stop. So that's my major challenge that I experienced as a fish farmer.
Thank you very much. As you guys have heard from her, sorting was our first major challenge. In this business, you don't take sorting for jokes. If you're really into this business, if you're really serious with the business, you don't take sorting for jokes. You should differentiate the bigger boys from the smaller ones so that they will not be eating themselves up. On your harvest day, you will sit by yourself. So in this business, take sorting very, very seriously. Hard from her, and thank God our farm is doing perfectly fine now. She has been sorting her fish every 2 weeks now. Exchange this, she has been harvesting bountifully. So that'll be that for today. I hope you guys have learned something today. So on subsequent videos, I'll still be bringing more farmers to come and share their first major challenge in the catfish farming business. So thank you for watching today's video. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.